In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Doordash account safely and permanently. If you're ready to close your Doordash account, I'll walk you through the exact process from start to finish and share a few helpful tips so nothing catches you off guard. Before you begin, make sure you can log in and that you have access to the phone number or email connected to your account, since you'll need to verify your identity. Start by opening the Doordash app on your phone or visiting the Doordash website in a browser, then sign in with your account credentials. Double check you're in the account you actually want to delete, especially if you've used multiple emails in the past. Once you're logged in, head to the account section. On mobile, you'll usually find account in the bottom navigation bar. On the web, look for your profile icon or your name in the top corner, then choose account. From there, go into settings and then select manage account. This is where Doordash keeps all the tools related to your account's status and privacy. Inside manage account, look for the option labeled delete account. Selecting this will bring up Doordash's deletion flow. Expect a summary explaining what account deletion means, such as losing access to your profile and order history through the account. Take a moment to read any notes on this page so you understand the change is permanent. Next, Doordash will ask you to verify your identity. They'll send a 6-digit code to your phone number or your email. Open the message, carefully enter the code, and submit it. If you don't receive the code right away, wait a moment and check your spam or junk folder. Make sure you're entering the most recent code and avoid multiple requests at once to prevent delays. If you no longer have access to the phone or email on file, pause here and recover access first. You'll need one of those to continue. After verification, you'll see the final confirmation screen. This is your last chance to review. When you confirm the deletion, your account is scheduled to be closed. Keep in mind, you cannot delete your account if you have any pending orders or outstanding balances. If you see a message about this, let current orders finish, resolve any charges or refunds, and then return to complete the deletion. That's it. You've now walked through the full Doordash account deletion process. Take a moment to save any important receipts from your email if you think you'll need them later, and you're all set. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you close your account with confidence.